Are you getting hash NA error even if lookup data is available? Do you know when lookup throw hash reference error? What are the limitations of VLOOKUP? How to use VLOOKUP with multiple sheets or multiple workbooks? If you have any of these questions, then watch this video till end. We will explain each and every point in detail in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn VLOOKUP in detail. VLOOKUP function helps you to search for specific information in the given range. This information can be available in same sheet or different sheet or different workbook. Now pause the video and download the Excel sheets having assignments and the data which we will use in this video. The path is given in the description section. So let's start. In this example, we have employee data. We want to search or look up employee ID given in cell J5, and to get the corresponding employee name in cell J7, we will use VLOOKUP function. So type equals to VLOOKUP open bracket. Now VLOOKUP function takes four arguments. The first argument is lookup value. It tells what information you are searching. Here we are searching employee ID given in cell J5. So the first argument will be reference of cell J5. So select cell J5, comma. The second argument is table array, where we have to select the data range in which VLOOKUP will search the employee ID and provide the corresponding information. Now, while selecting the data, make sure that the lookup value, which is employee ID in our case, must be first column of the selected data range. So select the data from employee ID till salary, comma. The third argument is column index number. Now here we will specify the output information. In this example, the output required is employee name. So we have to specify the column number of employee name in the selected data range. So in the selected data range, employee name is column number 2. So type 2, comma. The last parameter or attribute is range lookup, which is optional parameter. Now here we will use true or 1 for approximate match, or false or 0 for exact match. So in this example, we are performing exact match. So provide 0 or false, closing bracket, and press enter. The output is corresponding employee name. Now change the employee ID, press enter, and the output will change accordingly. Now pause the video, type VLOOKUP function to get the location of the employee ID given in cell J5. To get the location, type equals to VLOOKUP open bracket, select the employee ID, comma, select the data from A1 to F30, comma, the required column is location, which is column number 5 in the selected data range, comma, 0 for exact match, closing bracket, and press enter. Change the employee ID, press enter, and the corresponding information will change. To find the location of employee whose name is given in cell I5, type equals to VLOOKUP, open bracket, first parameter is lookup value. Here we are searching employee name given in cell I5. So select cell I5, comma. Now the second parameter is the table array. To search the employee name, the data range will start from the employee name column. Select the data from column B till F, comma. The third parameter is the column number of the location column. So location is column number 4 in the selected data range, comma. For exact match, type 0 or false, closing bracket and press enter. The output is the location of the given employee name. Now change the employee name, press enter, and the output will change accordingly. To use VLOOKUP in multiple sheets, the method of using VLOOKUP will remain same. Now in this example, we have a sheet data where employee ID is given, and to identify the location given in sheet, we look up example 1. In cell B2, type equals to VLOOKUP, open bracket. Now the lookup value is the employee ID. Select cell A2, comma. Now the second parameter is the table array. The data is available in VLOOKUP example 1 sheet. So select the sheet. Now the lookup value is the employee ID, which is available in column A. So select the data starting from column A till column F, comma. The third parameter is the column number of the location field, which is column number 5 in selected data range. So type 5, comma 0 for exact match, closing bracket and press enter. Cell B2 is showing employee location of ID given in cell A2. Now before using autofill to fill the location of other cells, make sure you change the data range in absolute reference. So select the data range in table array and press F4. Now press enter. Now use autofill feature. Column B is now showing location of corresponding employee IDs given in column A. In this example, we have two different workbooks. The first workbook, VLOOKUP data, has employee data, and in another workbook, employee names are given, and we need grade of these employees. To find the grade of corresponding employee, in cell B2, type equals to VLOOKUP, open bracket. The first parameter is the lookup value which we have to search in the data. Lookup value is given in column A, which is employee name. So select cell A2, comma. The data is available in another workbook. So open the workbook, open the sheet in which data is available. The lookup value is employee name, which is column B. So select the data starting from column B till column F, comma. The required information is grade, which is column number 3 in the selected data range. So type 3, comma 0 for exact match, closing bracket and press enter, and B2 cell is showing grade of employee name available in cell A2. Select the cell B2, use autofill feature to fill the grade of all other employees. So in this way, you can apply VLOOKUP if data is available in different workbook. Now it might possible that the lookup data is not available in the data range. For an example, employee ID 1000 is not available in the given employee IDs. In this case, VLOOKUP function will return hash any error. To handle hash any error, enclose the VLOOKUP function with if error. So after equals to, type if error, open bracket, keep VLOOKUP function as is. After VLOOKUP, type comma, and within double quotes, give any custom message. Type employee ID not found. Closing bracket, press enter. Instead of showing hash NA, the cell will show the custom message. If the employee ID is available, it will show the corresponding employee name. Hope you get the understanding of VLOOKUP function. If you have still any query, please share your query in the comment section. If you like the video, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.